Where? Hello, hamster. Where is it going? Welcome to your new home. Hi. Oh, hello there, hamster. Is that your new home? How are you doing? Your name is Stuart. Hello.
Welcome to Ken's Kids channel. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you my new pet hamster.
Yes, and that is
Stuart.
Stuart. Okay, we're going to show you
Pregnant.
how we are going to
The other one
play with our new pet
and the
hamsters.
other one is pregnant.
Really?
Yeah. Got big tummy and you're not allowed to touch it.
Yes.
Not allowed.
We'll try to check it out.
It might smell like human.
Yeah.
They don't like human smell.
Okay.
Guys, look at my hamster. There are two of them. There's here.
Little one's there. Sleeping.
You don't want to disturb him.
Oh,
Look inside.
Yeah, we went inside. Where is it? Oh, there.
He got out. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, there. Where is he? This one. This is Stuart. And this
Stuart. Little. I mean Stuart. And,
the
his name is...
inside.
Oh.
These look like fries.
Guys.
Let's get it out. Let's count it. Oh, for the popsicle sticks, I'll count them all.
So
So there's 3. I'll count them all.
You can't count. It's just written there.
Wait.
So it's each pack
Where's the
has. Oh, it's not written.
Okay, I'll just count it.
Do you think you can count them? You can count them when you get them.
Hamster up close. This guy is called Hammy. Hammy likes to have a look.
Hello, hamster. Where is it going? Welcome to your new home. Hi. Oh, hello there, hamster. Is that your new home? How are you doing? Your name is Stuart. Hello, everyone. My name is Stuart.
He was
I'm a
smiling.
boy.
He was smiling.
Where are you going? You get into your house. Oh. Oh. He went down the tunnel.
If I tell him to go down, if I put him down, he just go down when I put
So
his
there.
body there.
Go inside your house. Go there. There he goes. Hi. Hello there.
He was smiling.
Where's Hammy?
Oh, Hammy?
Yeah. He's looking for Hammy. Hi, Stuart. Hi, Stuart. Do you like your home? Your new home? There, go up. Oh, hi, Hammy. Hammy is there.
Hammy's super fast.
Oh, Hammy, you get
Hammy's
into the
fast.
tunnel.
There's he. Hammy's super fast. I can't even catch him. He got some.
Hammy is a girl.
Yeah, I thought boys are fast. Oh no, he might
Stuart.
Stuart is a boy and Hammy's a girl. Where's Hammy? Hammy's calling.
Hammy, come here, Hammy.
Oh, if I took.
You let Hammy go up, Ken.
If I tell him to
Okay,
go
it's
up.
time for you to go up, bud. Go, 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 go. Go. There. Hello.
You start.
Hi, Hammy. Oh, get inside. Okay, we're gonna put their home in the big box. Okay.
Kind of.
For now.
It's a
Ooh, hello there. He loves to stand.
Before he was smiling.
I like to see him standing.
He was smiling over here.
I like to see Stuart standing.
He was smiling over here. Like,
Was he smiling?
yeah, he was smiling like this.
Yeah. Oh, where? Where are they?
Smile, smile. He always go down.
Can you put some food, Ken? So they will buy. Can you get some food for them?
He always move.
Get a food for them, Ken. And let's put them here in the house. Let's put the food in the house. Hello.
Looking
Hi.
down. They're looking down. They're already married. That was quick.
Went there. Hello.
Of them inside. I think they like it.
Oh, they're coming out.
Inside.
Get inside.
We'll see you, honey.
Look at them.
Try to look at their eyes. I'll try to look at the camera. They're gonna look at the camera.
Okay,
They're gonna
hi.
ask their reaction.
No, they don't know.
This.
No, they don't know. They don't know themselves.
He thought that's another hamster. Your face. No, not there.
Go back to your house. Go back.
Not this one. Inside. Inside. Cage.
Oh no!
The whole of them
Go back again.
Wow. Stuart is super fat. How can he eat a lot? It's too much of it.
Hi, Storm. Look at Storm.
Hammy.
Hammy's downstairs.
Oh, there. Hammy. There.
There. Hammy is there. Oh, Hammy's trying to dig.
To go to the next food. He's going to the next.
You want to drink water?
No. Next to eat.
Oh, he's eating carrots.
No, he's not. Get in the tunnel. In the white tunnel. Hammy's thinking of a way. There is no other way for him to get out. Hammy's digging.
Oh.
Is he gonna dig there? Oh, he's thinking of a way.
Okay, get in.
There's a food there. Sunflower
Okay,
seeds.
there's a food there. You
Sunflower
can eat.
seeds. Sunflower seeds.
Sunflower
Face
seeds.
there. You face there.
Let me see if you're gonna eat.
I think it's full.
See?
I think
Does he
it's
like?
full.
I think he's full because he's been eating for hours.
Oh my gosh.
He's pee-pee. Okay, hi. Hello.
But don't slide.
Just let him do it by himself.
I think he's scared.
Hello. Stuart. Hello, Stuart. Hello, Stuart. Hello. Hi. Are you thirsty? You're looking for your...
Friend, he's looking for a friend.
He's looking for a nice bed. he just jumped. Hi, Hammy. That's Hammy, the little girl.
Hammy
The
doesn't
little
have any
hamster.
Where is Smart? Where's Smart? Where's Clark? Oh, there. He's...
They want
What is he
to
doing?
eat
What
carrots.
is he doing?
Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello.
I see his tail. Super tiny and hard. I think he can go down. Oh, he got down. Why so? This is the trap.
Both of them are inside. Hello.
He doesn't like any pet.
Hi. Hello. Where's Hammy? Hammy's outside and Stuart is inside the house. Oh, Stuart.
They know that there's a oh. They know
Oh.
that they can't go here.
Yeah.
It's just not allowed.
That's their
But
balcony.
they thought they can go here.
Oh.
He was gonna fall down. Don't go there. Where did they go together?
It's okay. It's okay.
They might fall down here. They thought it's
Make it like this.
How do they know? Do they know? It's long. He faced the camera. Why do they like this
They won't
part?
go down, Ken. Just do like this.
Why do they like this part?
They want to explore. Just put them. Oh, he gets into the house. Hello.
Why does he always find a way to
Put them now in their box. We're going to place the house in the box, okay? So they will enjoy and they will not keep on falling.
Oh, got it.
Hello there. Hi. We're going to put you in the box. Oh no.